Welcome, fellow creators and enthusiasts, to a groundbreaking journey into the future of content creation. Today we're diving deep into the realm of AI and ChatGPT, exploring how you can not only unleash your creativity, but also earn big in 2024. Now here's the burning question that will set the tone for our adventure. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have your very own AI assistant crafting videos for you, complete with engaging scripts, captivating visuals, and a voiceover that rivals human narration? Well, buckle up, because today we're unraveling the secrets of making AI and ChatGPT work for you, transforming your ideas into captivating content that resonates with audiences worldwide. So, are you ready to redefine your content creation game and unlock the potential of AI-driven success? Let's dive in. Step 1. Discovering ChatGPT. Let's embark on our journey into the world of AI and ChatGPT earnings in 2024, starting with step number 1. Head over to Google and dive into the realm of ChatGPT. Once the search results appear, click the link that beckons you to the ChatGPT homepage. Don't hesitate to sign up and log into your ChatGPT account to unlock the door to a world of possibilities. Now brace yourself for the magic that unfolds once you're inside. Navigate to the intriguing option labeled Explore GPTs. This click will transport you to the captivating Custom GPT Store page, which presents a treasure trove of GPTs tailored for diverse purposes. To narrow down our focus for this tutorial, let's get specific. In the search bar, type in Video AI by NVIDIA and select this GPT. With a swift click, a new tab unveils the remarkable capability of creating videos directly within ChatGPT using the Video AI by NVIDIA. Imagine this. You simply input your video idea and presto. Video AI goes to work, crafting a ready-to-publish video equipped with an engaging script, background music, subtitles, relevant footage, and even a voiceover that sounds remarkably human. And guess what? The excitement doesn't stop there. You have the power to refine your creation using straightforward text commands. Change the voiceover, tweak the script, adjust the footage. It's a creative playground at your fingertips. Step 2. Picking your niche. Venturing into step number 2, we find ourselves at a critical juncture, the selection of the ideal niche for our YouTube channel. This is where creativity meets strategy, and you have the autonomy to choose a niche that aligns with your passions. However, let me impart some knowledge that could significantly impact your journey. Certain niches harmonize exceptionally well with the magic of AI-generated content. Consider the Facts channel as a top contender. It's a broad canvas where you can paint with intriguing insights about Earth, space, people, machines, and beyond. The beauty of this niche lies in its vast scope, ensuring an endless well of creative ideas. Moreover, AI-generated content in the Facts channel niche tends to catch fire on platforms like YouTube, often going viral. It's essential to note, though, that the flip side involves slightly lower earnings per community post, ranging from $30 to $150. With this niche decision firmly in place, we seamlessly transition to our next step in this captivating journey. Now let's take a quick pause in our exploration of AI and ChatGPT to connect. If you're enjoying this journey, do us a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to Pivot Online. Your support keeps the creative momentum flowing. Don't forget to check out our other videos. There's a wealth of AI-driven content waiting for you. Pivot Online is more than a channel, it's a dynamic community. And let's continue this exciting adventure together. Now let's get back to the video. Step 3. Bringing your video to life. Welcome back to the ChatGPT Video AI by NVIDIA interface, your gateway to crafting AI-generated content. Now, log into your ChatGPT 4 account, and let's dive into creating our masterpiece. To kick things off, you'll need to give ChatGPT a prompt related to the video you want. The more detailed the prompt, the better the results. For our journey into the personal finance niche, consider this prompt. Hit enter, and let ChatGPT do its magic. It will start researching the topic using Video AI and might ask for permission to access NVIDIA AI's official website. Just click Confirm, and ChatGPT will reach out to NVIDIA AI to start the video creation process. In just 10 seconds, you'll be provided with the title and a link to your video. Click on the link and you'll be directed to NVIDIA AI's homepage. If you don't have an account, don't worry, you can create one for free. After logging in, you'll enter your NVIDIA AI dashboard, where the AI will research more data, analyze, generate the script, create scenes, add media, and in 3 to 5 minutes, voila! Your video is ready for playback. As we take a sneak peek at our generated video, you'll notice a captivating script, an incredible voiceover, and background music that complements the theme. And did I mention the premium clips from platforms like iStock and Storyblocks? Don't fret about watermarks, you can remove them during export. Now, let's talk edits. You've got 3 options. Firstly, let NVIDIA AI regenerate the entire video for you by clicking the regenerate icon. Secondly, the manual route, click edit under the video and you can edit media or script. Want to replace a clip? Just choose from 8 million stock footage options or upload your own. Apply changes and the AI does the rest. Lastly, the third method, simply type your desired edits in the box. Want subtitles, a new intro, or a change in pace? ChatGPT has got you covered. For example, if you ask for subtitles, it takes a few seconds and there you go. Subtitles added. Remember, a ChatGPT subscription is needed for access to the custom GPT store. Step 4. Export your masterpiece. Now, as you stand on the brink of unveiling your AI-generated masterpiece to the world, let's delve into step number 4 of our journey. Your next destination, the export button. Click on it and open the gateway to the export video option. It's here that you'll make a pivotal decision regarding the resolution of your video. Opt for the pristine clarity of the 1080p option, ensuring your creation shines in all its visual glory. Once you've made this crucial decision, the next move is as simple as hitting that download button. Now, with a polished video in hand, the world is your stage. Take it to your YouTube channel, hit the upload button, and let the magic unfold. Sit back, relax, and witness the views roll in. And guess what? This is just the beginning. The beauty of this process lies in its repeatability. Rinse and repeat. Keep the content flowing, maintain your creative momentum, and you'll find yourself firmly establishing a presence in the dynamic landscape of AI-driven content creation. Armed with your freshly exported video, you're ready to captivate audiences and leave an indelible mark on the AI-driven content creation landscape. The journey continues, and the possibilities are as vast as your imagination. As we wrap up this exhilarating journey into the world of AI and ChatGPT on Pivot Online, I want to extend heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. If you found inspiration in our exploration today, don't forget to give that like button a satisfying click and hit subscribe to keep pivoting with us through future content. Your support truly means the world to us. And hey, for more AI-driven adventures and creative insights, make sure to check out our other videos. Thank you for being part of the Pivot Online community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Pivot Online signing off.